And this prodromal, so do you understand that this stage from here to here, this blue stage can be, well, how about, I mean, this is so timely right now. Let's talk about the incubation for Ebola.
21 days.
So we're going to say 2 to 21 days. You see, because when you look at statistics and you look at all the patients and you start reading through the stuff, you find that in Liberia or Sierra Leone or wherever, there's 3 countries, but there's 2 other countries where there have been outbreaks in the past. There are some patients that had a 2-day incubation period, so it's 2 to 21 days. Now we got the prodromal stage, which is the very first sign and symptom. And what are they talking about the signs and symptoms of? And I just got a thing today from the CDC and today from my hospital saying we need you to print this up and put them all over the walls, because that's what I do is infection control in the hospital. So one of the things that they're asking us to look for is what?
Headache and
Fever.
Oh.
I'll get to it in a
Low-grade
minute.
fever.
I want to get fever out of the way first. I'm not going to go through all the signs and symptoms. So fever, they're talking about even a low-grade fever. Did you know that 12 to 15% of patients who have tested positive for Ebola and who have died of Ebola did not have a fever in the beginning stages? They didn't get fevers until the very end.
Oops.
Okay? 12 to 15%. So there's a possibility that somebody that doesn't have a fever is going to continue to walk out into the community, and they might have some of the other signs and symptoms, headache, etc. So again, I would be very, very aggressive in treating this. So, the prodromal stages are this, the very, very beginning. And then, of course, here, this height of infection is here. I'm drawing these arrows. And so here's where we have the highest amount of signs and symptoms. That's happening right here. A very important topic right now is to determine, well, where are you contagious? And they don't know that. They say you're not contagious until you get,
Symptoms.
until the patient is symptomatic. And I'm going